I have an iPhone X, and this phone has 69% battery life, which is not great at all. So we're gonna replace it with the new battery I have right here to fix all sorts of issues such as fast draining, random reboots, slowness, and overheating. Aesthetically, the phone isn't in the best condition, but we'll just fix the battery today and we're not gonna worry about how it looks. So if you wanna learn how to change the battery on an iPhone X, come with me, I'll show you how. First, we're gonna remove the two pentalobe screws down at the bottom of the phone. I got a new toy, and this thing makes lifting screens amazingly easy. With the screen lifted just a little bit, I can just go around with my plastic tool and just lift it on all sides. Now that the phone is opened, we can start removing the screws. We have to disconnect the battery and the screen connectors, so let's do that. Now it's time to remove the old battery. To do that, I'm gonna use isopropyl alcohol. I'm not gonna use the pull tabs because they usually break and you have to be more careful, which takes a lot longer. While I wait for the alcohol to do its thing, I can remove the old screen adhesive and also clean the dirt around the frame. And now I can simply pry away the old battery. Let me know down below if you ever owned the iPhone X and if any of you are still using it. Now that the old battery is out, it's time to reinstall the new battery. Here I'm using some heat because I want the alcohol to evaporate quickly. And now I just place the battery gently inside the phone and make sure it sits properly. Before I close up the phone, I just wanted to give it a little clean inside. I didn't want it to look all dirty, and it's starting to look a bit better. And now let's not forget about the waterproof seal. This has to be replaced if you want to keep your waterproof and dust-proof rating. And now I can start reconnecting the screen, the battery, put down the metal shield, screw it back, and then close up the phone. If this is your first time here, welcome, thank you, glad to have you. And if you're not new, great to have you back. After we're done with the screws, we can just place the screen back in, starting from the top and going around the sides, screw back our two pentalobe screws, and that's about it. Oh, and there's some gunk in the speaker holes, so I'm gonna clean those too. And now the moment we've been waiting for, turning the phone on and checking the battery health. Going in the settings app and scrolling down to the battery, we see that the battery is 100%. We did it! And here we are at the end. We made this iPhone X have 100% battery again. This means no more freezing, no more crashes, no more overheating. And it's gonna last all day, unlike this guy right here. So thanks for watching, hope you liked it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye!